You just found the 2023 Nissan Armada. Here's an overachiever with a commanding presence, the Nissan Armada. This full-size three-row SUV is a polite powerhouse, offering an upscale interior, smooth, quiet ride, and brawny towing capacity. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, fog lamps, backup camera, wood grain interior trim, remote engine start. Get the full-size SUV that's as capable as it is comfortable. This Armada does it all in style. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.